new computer system because my wonderful tech guy who is going to have to come help me put this box up here because I cannot, because we are doing an unboxing. He is helping swap out my computers. There we go. Jordan, pop in here and say hi.
Hello all.
Well, you're not in the frame.
It's very hard.
Yes.
Hi YouTube. Hi Facebook.
That is my guy. I tell you. I don't know what is the top.
Yeah. Because there's only one piece of tape.
Is there only one piece of
Although
tape
I think
here?
this is the top because it has the...
Is that the top? I don't know. I don't know, guys. I'm not sure exactly how. It's like they put a box on a box. Okay, this side will work.
Oh, okay, cool.
So we just gotta put it up on the table. Okay. So, here we go. Here we go. We are going to do this very, very quickly. And then I am going back to bed. I've had a migraine, so it has not been fun. So, but I am out of my quick videos. So, I will be making more tomorrow. So hopefully I feel better tomorrow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There's so much in here. So much in here. Okay. Let's see. This is going to have to go first. So we'll put this over here in this pile. And then, oh my gosh. Jordan, ah! Okay, so what we've got in here, we've got, what do we got? We have a Sylvie white frame that's an 18 by 18 frame. And then we have, I think we've only got 3, yeah, and then I've got 3, okay, here, I'll just do this one. That one can stay, and let's just move the box out of the way. Because that's just a regular 18 by 18. I am so excited that I got this. This one, I am super excited about. The bones. I always wanted to get the bones. I never got the bones. And I am super, super excited to have the bones. The spine chilling, beware, that I will be able to do everything with when Halloween comes next. Because I just love them. They're so cute. I'm going to open this one up so that you guys can see this. Because I got 3 of these. And then I got an 18 by 18. That 18 by 18 is white frame, blackboard. Which I am not going to open because that's just a pain in the butt. I'm just telling you what it is. I can't remember which one this one was. So I thought, hey, let's open this one and see what it is. Okay. This, aha. Look at that one. It can go this way or it can go this way. And it's beautimous. So let's put this back in here. It's got the corner protectors on it. This, I believe, it's a Sylvie, I believe. Is it a Sylvie? No, it might be a boutique. Let me look. It is a boutique. That is our boutique, it's actually a Grayson. It's a part of the boutique framed board, or Grayson. It's 12.5 by 18. So our C-size transfers fit on this. Perfect. So like this is our C-size transfer. It fits perfectly on this. Come on, get in there. Get in your little holes. Doesn't want to get in the little holes. So let's get it untaped all the way. Yes, I'm on the struggle bus, people. On the struggle bus. I understand that. But I am so excited about this mystery one. Okay, you might just slide it up there. Alrighty. Okay, now this is one, these are 2 that were in that I've had a lot of people tell me that they really, really like. So I wanted to make sure that I grabbed one of these while they were in there. And I just love this milk can. This milk can is one of my faves. So I grabbed it while it was in there. All right, now this is the mystery. I do not even know what's in here. I didn't even look to see how many was in the count or anything. Nothing. I did nothing. Okay, I just clicked it and got out of there before. Hello, Fame. How are you, my love? Before I got in there, got out before they ran out of them. Yeah, that's the word. Before they sold out. I love this one. Bless the food before us, the family beside us, the love between us. This is our animal print, wild child, go and do, and then it's got like leopard print up here. Oh, I do not have this one. This is a cool one. It's got violet. Wait. Glasses are in order here. Glasses work sometimes if you put them on. Oh, okay. So it's different things that I cannot even read. And then it says heaven is under our feet as well as over our heads. And then it has like all the figure whatevers, like, yeah. And then he counts the stars and calls them by name. Oh, I got the Hit the Road. I love that because I love suitcases. So this one I did not have before. This one's really cool. I think I have the flowers. I don't think I have the veggies. So that's awesome. And it says grow where you are planted. And I didn't have this one either. So that's pretty cool. That's really cool. This is the botanical collection. So it's the Lilac Beauty. And this one is what is this one? This one's the Autumn Wreath that you can also mix with the Winter Wreath and make it like really super full, which is pretty cool. Oh, I do not have any of these, so I'm really excited about this. This like masks off a portion, and then this is all silk screen right in here, so that's pretty cool. And then I love this because I use this for the backgrounds a lot of times, not just for the pumpkins. I use it for backgrounds also, so that's pretty cool. That was a pretty cool haul. I think I might have one more coming. I'm not sure. But anyway, so that was a pretty cool haul. So that is it for our Vlogmas this today. And so then I'm going to go to bed, actually, is what I'm going to do. Because this whatever it is kicking my butt. But, yeah, so but I mean, come on. I know it's Christmas, but you know, it's where two holidays could collide, right? I love it. I'm just saying. All right, guys. I love you all. I will see you on the next, and hopefully we'll create something on the next video. So, night all.